Can you imagine making $100,000 in just 3 months? All from the internet? Money with Wings. This isn't an ad and it's not a dream. It's a real plan that thousands have already used to completely change their lives. And today, I'm going to share with you the exact steps you can start from home to reach financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. But stay with me until the end, because every second of this video could change your future. Let's get started. Fire.
Welcome, success seekers. Did you know that making $100,000 in just 3 months is no longer a fantasy? In this video, I'll share a practical plan and real online sources you can start with today. No big capital, no complications. But before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because what's coming next will completely change how you see money. Before we dive into the methods, let me tell you the secret that makes some people succeed while others fail: mindset. If you come to the internet looking for a quick way to get rich, you'll never get there. But if you come determined to build a real income stream, your results will start multiplying. Stay with me. Each method I'll share could be your path to that $100,000. Start with freelancing. On platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, people earn thousands of dollars every month offering simple services like article writing, logo design, and social media management. Pick one skill you're good at and improve it every week. Even if you start charging just $5 per service, within 3 months you can build a strong reputation and start earning hundreds of dollars a day. The second method that changed thousands of lives is affiliate marketing. Simply promote products from sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24, and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can promote through YouTube videos, TikTok or Instagram accounts, or even a simple blog. If you dedicate just 2 hours a day, you can start seeing amazing results within 3 months. YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a money machine. Pick a niche you love, like finance, motivation, or education, and start posting short videos consistently. Every 1,000 views equals earnings, and as your channel grows, ads and sponsorships will bring you a steady monthly income. Imagine this: after 3 months of consistent effort, you could be making $3,000 a month from YouTube alone. Invest in yourself. Learn a digital skill that's in demand, like digital marketing, design, or AI. Every new skill you master today saves you months of struggle in the future. Those who learn are the ones who earn. Now have a clear 3-month plan. Month 1, learn and choose one field. Month 2, apply what you've learned and make your first income. Month 3, scale up your work and start investing in better tools. At the end of these 3 months, you'll have built a sustainable income system, not just a temporary experiment. If you've reached this point, you're one of the few who truly want to change their life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below. I'm ready to start the $100,000 challenge. Because in the next video, I'll share a detailed plan with free tools to help you take action on every step we discussed. See you in the next video, and start today, because time is the most valuable investment.